If you're considering a move to Prosper, Texas, and you're looking for a prestigious community with unparalleled privacy and space to breathe, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today we're exploring the most exclusive luxury community in Prosper, Texas. This gated neighborhood is home to stunning properties priced between $2 and $3 million, and trust me, they're worth every penny, and situated on 1-acre lots. Welcome to Christie Farms. First off, let's talk about location. Christie Farms is perfectly positioned right off Custer Road on the east side of Prosper, between East Prosper Trail and Frontier Parkway. And here you're just 8 minutes from the charming downtown Prosper area, 10 minutes to Highway 380, and 10 minutes to the Dallas North Tollway and Gates of Prosper Shopping Center. So great location. You're about 45 minutes from downtown Dallas as well. And this location offers a perfect mix of being close to everything while still enjoying the peace and quiet of suburban living. Now for families, the schools here are top-notch. Christie Farms is zoned to Prosper ISD, which is one of the most sought-after school districts in all of Texas. The children in this community will attend Cockrell Elementary, Rogers Middle School, and Walnut Grove High School. All incredible and very highly rated schools. So the first home I want to show you is 1881 Tranquility Court. This home is situated right at the end of the cul-de-sac. It's at the highest elevation in the area, and it's on over an acre. This home is a 5-bedroom, 7-bath. It's 5,700 square feet. Let's go see it. Our next tour is 1840 Tranquility Court. This home is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath. It's situated on a 1-acre corner lot with a beautiful circle driveway. It has a 6-car garage. Let's go check it out. Can you imagine living here? Whether you're looking for a chef's kitchen or a backyard oasis or private office space, these homes deliver. Plus, with 1 acre lots, you'll have all the space you need for whatever dream lifestyle you're after. So that's Christie Farms. Luxury, privacy, and a location that's hard to beat. If you're considering a move to Prosper and want to learn more about this community or others in the area, please let me know. I'd love to help you find your dream home here.